Hey Dick, hey Chad, Buddy Yates from Palm Springs. Here's a gadget I bought just to see how bad it is. And, well, actually it does what it needs to do. Whether you need it or not is something you'll have to work out for yourself. I'm talking about the Echo Loop. Are you tired of yelling across the room for the Echo to turn the volume up or change the station or turn the volume down? Alexa, skip. Well, this way you can just go, open the garage door, turn backyard lights off, volume 5. It's a lot cheaper than a smartwatch. What time is it? Pause music. I listen to Amazon Music, so it works very well for me to be able to give instructions through the loop rather than yelling across the room. How do you calculate velocity? I paid $130 for that joke. So, yeah, it's not pretty. I mean, it's not a good-looking ring. It's plastic. It's black. Play the GizWiz podcast. If you use Miss A on your phone regularly, then this is just a natural extension of that, because all it is a speaker and a microphone attached to the app you already have on your phone. The Loop has a tiny battery, so you can imagine it doesn't take long to charge, and it doesn't last very long. The sizing kit comes with 4 different sizes of the loop, and they send you mock-ups. These are non-functional solid plastic mock-ups, so you can find the right size. If you're interested in the technical details, there's lots of YouTube reviews on the Echo Loop. It's water resistant, but it's not waterproof. Getting one of these things is by invitation only. For me, it took about 6 months. The Loop comes with a charging stand, a USB cable, no power supply, and some instructions which I didn't open. If you're a user of one of the other home assistant kits, then this probably isn't the right product for you. The Loop has 3 charging pins on the inside, and the charger has 3 pins, and it's located by magnet. If you're heavily invested in the Amazon Echo ecosystem and you have home automation set up, then you might find it convenient to pull out the ring rather than using your phone. If you're already listening to Amazon Music on a Bluetooth headset like I am, then this works out pretty nice, because instead of fumbling around for the buttons on the headset or on the phone, you can just use the loop to tell it skip ahead, pause. It's basically an Amazon Echo for your finger. Thanks, guys.